There's an island in the Indian Ocean where, if you step ashore, the people living there will kill you, and every government on Earth will let them. North Sentinel Island sits roughly 50 miles west of the Andaman Archipelago, and its inhabitants have had zero contact with the outside world for an estimated 60,000 years. India has legally declared their isolation protected. The Sentinelese are not a mystery to be solved. They are a boundary drawn by the Creator between two entirely different worlds, but isolation takes stranger forms elsewhere. Balloon Island, officially named Ilha da Queimada Grande, sits 93 miles off the coast of São Paulo, Brazil. It is roughly the size of 40 football pitches. The Brazilian Navy banned all visitors in the 1980s for one reason. The island is home to between 2,000 and 4,000 golden lancehead pit vipers, one of the most venomous snakes on Earth, with an estimated density of 1 snake per square meter in certain zones. The venom dissolves flesh. Scientists are permitted entry only under strict government permit and rarely go. Then there is Poveglia, a small island in the Venice Lagoon that was used as a quarantine station for plague victims throughout the 18th century. Tens of thousands of people died there. The soil is reportedly 50% human ash. Italy closed it to the public entirely. When it was auctioned in 2014, the winning bidder, who planned to open a hotel, was blocked by the Italian government and stripped of the lease. Deep in the Pacific, Palmyra Atoll carries a different kind of weight. Every crew that has sought shelter there across 2 centuries has met misfortune. Shipwrecks, disappearances, a double murder in 1974 that remains one of the most chilling unsolved cases in American maritime history. The atoll is now a nature reserve. Visitor access requires federal permits. The coral grows over whatever it has already swallowed. And then there is Ramree Island, Burma, where in January 1945, approximately 1,000 Imperial Japanese soldiers retreated into a coastal mangrove swamp to escape British forces. Fewer than 20 came out. British naturalist Bruce Stanley Wright documented what the swamp contained: saltwater crocodiles, thousands of them. Some places are not abandoned by accident. They are left alone because something or everything about them demands it. And in that silence, as with all of the Creator's most formidable designs, there is a kind of perfect, terrible order.